Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is the second video in our series of videos about the Amazon Fire HD 10 Plus. In this case, we're going to be setting up the tablet after having unboxed it. If you want to see the unboxing video, we'll link to that in the description, and we're going to be doing a series of videos on this, including the setup with the keyboard Bluetooth case, as well as a few how-to videos for the Amazon Fire HD 10 Plus. Right then, so the Amazon Fire HD 10 Plus is out of its box. I'm going to long press the power button, and we have the Amazon logo showing up in the center of the screen. Now we have the Fire logo coming up. That's the series of tablet devices from Amazon. And we're starting off with a welcome page where you get to choose your language. And I'm going to choose English United Kingdom. And within English United Kingdom, you have all these different countries. I'm going to choose United Kingdom and go ahead with the setup here. So I purchased this as an Amazon Prime customer on Amazon. And the great thing is that they shipped me the device already set up with a few details already there. So it's already connected me to Planet Express Wi-Fi, my Futurama-inspired named Wi-Fi network, which is great. It means that I've not had to do any logging in or anything. It essentially goes and takes my known account details and applies them here. Now, it's obviously going to offer me the option to restore my Amazon Fire. Now, I do have quite a few Amazon Fire tablets already, and the most recently used ones are the Little Fire, which is my 6-inch Fire, my Travel Fire, which is my 7-inch one, and my bigger Fire, which is my 8-inch tablet. So I already have a few of them set up on this account, but I don't want to restore that. I want to go with a new setup. So in this Fire options page, we have the option to enable location services, so to allow services and Amazon to know where you are to give you better services, such as knowing the weather, knowing traffic conditions and other things, all come from location services. And also the option to automatically save your photos and video. If you're an Amazon Prime subscriber, Amazon Photos offers you unlimited free storage for your images, which is a great service, especially in view of Google Photos now not offering that as an unlimited free service anymore. And obviously also the option to save your Wi-Fi passwords to Amazon. We've just seen how useful that is with the automatic connection to Wi-Fi from my account because it knew that this was my device. So great to see that. Now we have an introduction to Fire tablets in video format. So I'll just play this and see what it looks like.
From watching movies and reading books to asking Alexa for the weather, there are many ways to enjoy your new Fire tablet. Try asking Alexa to play music, make calls, check the news or your commute and more. Just say, Alexa, to get your tablet's attention. Alexa, what's the weather?
Tomorrow, in London, you can expect lots of clouds with a high of 15 degrees and a low of 8 degrees.
And find what you want to watch. Alexa, show me action films.
Here's what I found.
Your tablet also lets you switch to show mode, a full screen experience that puts Alexa center stage, combining voice responses with visuals you can see from across the room. Now your tablet is even easier to use while you're doing other things. To get started, just plug in your tablet and say, Alexa, switch to show mode. Once you're in show mode, just ask Alexa to show trending news, timers and alarms, recipes, weather, and more. Alexa, show me a recipe for muffins.
Okay, for muffins, here are a few recipes. If you want to see more, say next.
Make hands-free video calls to friends and family. Alexa, call Mum.
Calling Mum.
If you have an Amazon Prime membership, you get unlimited access to thousands of movies and TV shows, over 2 million songs, and even selected books, comics and magazines that you can borrow at no additional cost. And with For You, a page of curated content personalised to your tastes, it's easy to discover new things. Enjoy your new Fire tablet.
So that was a very pleasant introduction video from Amazon, and it is really pushing the concept of Alexa being built into your Amazon Fire tablet. I really need to be careful saying that name because I have at least one Echo device in this room. Now, the next setup page is for creating a child profile, and in this case I do not want to do that. This is a household with no children, and I am happy not having a child-friendly tablet. But one thing I will say is that Amazon's parental controls are very, very good. They have been for at least 7 years. I remember in 2014 getting an Amazon Fire tablet and doing a comparison between that and the Tesco Huddle in terms of parental controls. And I have to say, Amazon was already better then, and they've continued to improve parental controls on Fire devices. Now, next up. So, screen lock. I will just do this very quickly. So, I've now set up the pin, and now it's offering me to join Kindle Unlimited. At the moment, I don't want to do that. I'm actually using Audible a lot. And now it's suggesting that I enjoy books and videos that you're already included with your Prime membership. A lot of comic books. Amazon's partnership with Comixology makes it really easy. And you already have Amazon Prime Video, which is a great source of content. I really enjoy quite a few shows on there, as well as some movies. But for now, I just don't want to add that content. Then it's suggesting a few applications to install on my Fire HD 10 Plus. Now, in this case, I do have plans to use this device for some productivity. So I'm going to install Microsoft Outlook, Zoom. CuriosityStream is another great streaming service that includes Nebula. You need to subscribe, but the content there is something I really, really enjoy. IMDb is something I would like, YouTube, Disney Plus, the NASA app, BBC Sounds, Comixology, which we just mentioned, the Xbox app, Skype, the ITV Hub, Netflix, and I'll stop at that for now. So app permissions, yes, we're okay with that. We'll download those apps. And here we are, we're already on our 3-pane home page. This is going to be familiar to you if you've already used a Fire tablet in the last few months. It's the new 3-pane home page, and there's also an extra bit at the bottom here saying that you can control your connected devices at the bottom. So you can enable Alexa on the device. I'm going to go and do that. And there we go. I have the Amazon Assistant on my tablet. Now, this may not be something you always want to have on your tablet. The great news is that Amazon have the option of switching that off if you need to. So if you're in an environment where someone's using that word a lot, you can switch it off and just have it on when you want to. So I'll turn it off for now just to avoid any interruptions. And this is the device dashboard where you get to monitor your smart home devices such as lights and your thermostat and any other thing. So you can see that my home dashboard has quite a few things, including a Nest thermostat. But at the moment, I'm going to leave that as it is. And you can start thinking about controlling your smartphone really easily from your Amazon Fire tablet. Now, another one of the reasons I purchased the Amazon Fire HD 10 Plus is that I plan on using this for some light work. And that means that I will be installing the new Microsoft Office apps on the device. Now, the cool thing is that if you purchase the Amazon Fire HD 10 Plus with the keyboard case, there is a current offer where you can get Microsoft Office as part of the bundle. Now, this is the top of the line ad-free version of the Amazon Fire HD 10 Plus. So it has the 64 gigabytes of storage built in, it doesn't have any ads, and in this case it came with a year of Microsoft Office 365. And at current pricing on the Amazon website, that's £289.99. And I think that's a fair price to pay for what is a nice tablet with a good screen, a Bluetooth keyboard and case, which is detachable, so you can take the case off the keyboard if needed, and the Microsoft Office 365 subscription, which is considerably expensive. So overall, I think this package is very, very competitive, and I have decided to purchase this bundle instead of a Chromebook for this year and see how I get on with that. So I think that's pretty much most of the apps installed. What we'll do is go into the app library, the Amazon App Store, and have a look at what apps I can download. Okay, Microsoft Office is already installed, which is great. So that's installed in the background, and I'll need to sign into my personal account. But yes, you can use Excel, Word, and PowerPoint on your Amazon Fire HD 10 Plus. So then there's plenty of other things for not only games, video, Audible. I'll need to decide which audiobooks to download onto my device. I'm just finishing a great audiobook, which I've really enjoyed. And I'll probably have a separate video about Audible, the app, in a future release here on the Tech Travel Geeks. But for now, I think that's the setup of the Amazon Fire HD 10 Plus finished. It was a really easy experience as an Amazon Prime subscriber, as you saw. And overall, I have to say, the screen is gorgeous. It's a really nice screen. The sound quality, when we were watching the video earlier, the introduction video, was really good. It had good bass to it, and it was clear. I could hear it very well. And in terms of ergonomics and how it feels whilst holding it, with its rounded edges and the soft touch plastic back, it is very pleasant to use. So I'll wrap up this video for now. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. If you do subscribe, please have that bell turned on so that you're notified when we release new videos. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, and accessories which we believe make the travel experience better. And in this case, it's maybe not just for travel, but also for home use. I think the Amazon Fire HD 10 Plus is a great value tablet, which will perform actions I expect it to. But for now, thanks for watching. Goodbye from me.